stomach can be yours. Using the Pro Fitness Ab Carter Pro, the new way to a flatter stomach. Made by the U.S. Navy SEAL who brought you the perfect push-up. It's a revolution in waistline carving results. Just drive forward, stretch, and extend the muscles of your core and abs. Return and feel the stomach carving burn. Inside is the Ab Carter Pro's kinetic assist engine. The engine coils up as you extend and then springs you back. Your workout going. Drive left, right, and center to carve the upper, middle, and lower abs. The inner and outer obliques, plus your chest and arms. So no more sit-ups and crunches. It's only minutes a day for more stuff and arms.